Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So here's the thing. I'm always getting multiple comments about, can you show us how to make a holiday wedding centerpiece? And really up till now, our production schedule just never really allowed for extras, but we're working some in. So this is going to be the first of two, but I wanted to challenge myself a little bit more. I wanted to do the centerpiece with all Dollar Tree products. And I'm so excited to say that that's exactly what we did. And you're not going to believe that this centerpiece is less than $15. Less than $15. Well, what can I say? We did it. We're going to show you how to do it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Dollar Tree Challenge Holiday Wedding Centerpiece. Okay, guys, let's get to it. So to create our base, we're going to use one glass tapered candle holder, one lattice pattern glass jar, and one white foam disc. You have an option here. You can make it taller by attaching the candle holder to the bottom of the jar, or you can do one tall and one short. It's really up to you. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and make an indentation into your foam with the rim of the jar. Cut it out, because that is actually going to be what you attach your velvet flowers to. So let's get that done. We're going to set our foam topper off to the side. We'll be using that a little bit later. Right now, we're going to go ahead and start separating our peppermint candy sticks. I just grabbed 2 bags out of the candy department at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to want them to stay in place. So the way I do that is I'm going to put a dab of hot glue right at one of the top, and I'm going to set it into the vase and actually hold it there for about 10 seconds so we can set up before I add the next one. And you're just going to continue that pattern until the entire inside of your jar is covered with your candy cane sticks. Now it's time for us to attach our styrofoam stopper. Before I place it inside the rim, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of smear of hot glue inside. That way it's giving my foam disc just that extra bit of extra security. Well guys, what do you think? I love it. This would be an awesome centerpiece for either a holiday wedding or even a holiday dinner. Just so versatile. And again, it costs $15. In addition to that, the candlestick holders and the candles are also from the Dollar Tree, and I have the links in the description right below the video. All there for you. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a comment or a question, leave it right there in the section. I answer them myself. In addition to that, if you want to hang out some more, why not? Head on over to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. In addition to that, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. It is so simple, and they pay you to shop. Simply head on down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account, When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It is all free, and it's really that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, but before we go, I want to remind you that all of the links to all the supplies for our projects are always in the description below. Just click on that little arrow, it'll drop down, you'll have all the links there right for you. In addition to that, you can head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, by clicking right there in the corner, or clicking the link in the description to get written and picture instructions for just about all of our projects, as well as cost-saving tips and blog posts to help you DIY your way into a wonderful event or celebration. So head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, and take advantage of the additional knowledge that we have to share. I want to thank everybody for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, so we do not take you choosing to spend time with us lightly. In addition to that, we just want to remind you that we have another holiday surprise project coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.